What's up everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to be installing a soft close toilet lid on all of our toilets in our house. We've been testing one of these out on one of them for about a year, and it's worked out really well, so we're going to replace the rest of them today. So to install one of these specific lids, which by the way is linked in the description below if you're interested in the one that we have, you're going to need a few tools. You're going to need a ratchet with a 5/8" socket, you're going to need a plastic pry tool, you're going to need some pliers, of course some rubber gloves because you're working around a toilet, and you're going to need some glass cleaner, Windex, and some paper towels to clean everything up before you install the new lid. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take off the old one and put the new one on. Before I take off the old lid, I just set the new one up here because it's a convenient spot in order to get it prepped for install. So what you need to do is take some of the hardware that comes in the bag, in the box, and you're going to need to go ahead and get it set up and ready to go onto the toilet itself. So to do that, you're going to need to pop open each one of these on both sides. Sometimes they're a little bit tough and you actually need a plastic pry tool to release that clip. This one wasn't so bad, neither was this one. And then you're going to need to take each one of the bolts. You can see I already have one installed here. And just go ahead and snap them in and snap these down. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, take off the old lid, and I'm going to show you how to put the new one on now. Okay, so in order to remove the old seat, what you're going to need to do is take one of the plastic pry tool now, pop it in there, pop that cover up. Underneath that cover, you're going to have some thumb screws. Basically all you need to do is grab these and unscrew them. They go on forever, as you can see. So it's kind of a pain to pull those out, but once you've pulled both of those out, all you need to do is lift the toilet seat up off the toilet. So I'm going to go ahead and take the other one out that I just showed you how to pop the cover off of, and I'm going to pull the seat off and show you how to put the new one on. Okay, so as you can see, I have the old toilet seat off now, and to install the new one, it's pretty simple. All you need to do once you have those two bolts in is drop the seat on, and you're going to have two nuts that come with it. What you need to do is take the nuts, take the circular side, not the hex side, but the circular side, that goes up underneath, thread them on finger tight on both sides, and then you're going to take your ratchet and break them off. So I'm going to go ahead and get both of these snugged down finger tight, and I'm going to show you what to do with the ratchet in a second. Once you have the nuts snugged up underneath, you want to make sure that your toilet seat's centered with the actual toilet bowl. You can see mine's got an even gap on each side between the lid and the bowl itself. So now all you need to do is take your 5/8" ratchet, go up underneath to each one of the nuts, and tighten it until the bottom portion snaps off. So there's one. You can see it snapped off. And we'll have the other one here shortly. There's two. And that's it, you're done. That's how easy it is to install one of these new toilet seats. So I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video.